Math Plus, where math makes sense. This is a practice video. We're going to practice scaling and we're going to use multiplication and numbers. There is a lesson video to explain to you what scaling is, why we use it. Click the link above, go through the lesson, and then come back if you haven't already watched it, and then practice with me. Using what you learned about scaling in the video, what will happen to this answer? You're not solving the answer. You're going to know, is it less than 1, equal to 1, or more than? Greater than, less than, or equal? Solve the problem and then come back. From the lesson, I know that anytime I multiply a whole number by a fraction where the denominator and the numerator are the same, it's the same as multiplying by 1 because 3 over 3 is 1. So I know that that answer will be equal to 2. You're kind of looking for, will it be greater than, less than, or equal? Let's review that just a little bit. When we talk about less than 1, think about it. A fraction, always, I call them normal fractions, but typically a normal fraction has the numerator smaller than the denominator. And if I multiply something by a fraction, it's going to become smaller because fractions are less than a whole number. If I multiply any number where the numerator and the denominator are the same, I'm actually just multiplying by 1, so the answer is going to come out the same. The number will just stay the same. And then, therefore, I also have fractions that are improper fractions. Well, obviously, the number is going to come out larger because I'm multiplying by itself plus part of a fraction. So try to remember this chart, and that will help you. When you see multiplication problems, you're going to be able to know how that answer is going to come out. And it's a lot like common sense if you just really think about it. Let's try another one. Pause your video and then come back. This whole number is being multiplied by what I call a normal fraction. And remember what I just showed you on the chart? Fraction makes something smaller. So n is going to be smaller, less than 8. It's going to make that 8 smaller. Pause your video, then come back. All right, I'm just going to write my fraction over here. Maybe sometimes you just got to take it away from the answers. I know a lot of times when you see multiple choice, I know for me, it's like there's too many answers and it's hard to focus sometimes. So just pull that fraction over here and think about what you learned. Oh, the numerator's larger. It's an improper fraction. It's going to make my n larger. N will be larger, bigger than 7. So that would be A. All right, we have 3 here for you to do and then come back. Let's take these one at a time. Improper fraction, or regular fraction, excuse me. Let's do this one at a time. Regular fraction, fractions are smaller than whole numbers, so I'm looking for less than. And the answer is going to be less than 31. It's going to make it smaller. All right, so if I multiply this whole number by an improper fraction, it's going to make it bigger because it's got a whole number and a fraction. So the n will be larger than 125. Now this one's tricky, 5.5. I hope some of you understood that we were using fractions. So if I want to turn that mixed number into a fraction, which I'm going to do, I know what the answer will be because anytime I have a mixed number, and I turn it into a fraction, it's going to be improper, right? It's going to be bigger. So I know that answer, knowing that knowledge, that A is the answer. But let's do that. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1. That makes an improper fraction. I hope you enjoyed learning this. It's kind of interesting, isn't it? Just being able to look at what it's being multiplied by and know what the answer, the result is going to be. Make sure you go to the description and click the link for the worksheets so that you can practice some more.